On March 18, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced that the state of public emergency had been declared in the St. Catherine North Police Division. International football, Zlatan Ibrahimovic has arrived in California following his move to MLS club LA Galaxy, receiving a hero's welcome. The Swede was met at Los Angeles International Airport by both fans and the media, who flocked in their droves to catch a glimpse of the league's latest star signing. An LA Galaxy press conference introducing Ibrahimovic will be held today. Manchester United agreed to the mutual termination of Ibrahimovic's contract earlier this month, paving the way for the 36-year-old striker to complete his move to the west coast of America. Mexican recording artist Cha-Ching Ching will today release the official music video featuring African acts Pato Ranking and Stone Bly and American entertainer Fatman Scoop. The single was released with Sean Poe's Dirty Rock Productions label, to which Cha-Ching Ching is now signed. The viral song is the first track on Cha-Ching Ching's anticipated Turning Tables album, produced by Dirty Rock Productions. Meanwhile, the official release of Ching's rock music video, which has been teased as his second dance anthem to be released from his debut album, is in the final stages of production. For details on some of these stories, log on to zipfm.net. I'm Rain, that's a Big Foe. Everything you need to know every hour on the hour.
City Ravers Carnival, sponsored by Ramesh Entertainment. Magnum must be 18 years or older to try. Drink responsibly.
Owners of Sands Alcohol would like to thank our sponsors, KT, MDR, iCool Water, Conca Energy Drink, Lyrics, Startup Production, Cyclops, Secure, Welcome Tours, Loud Fashion, Party Websites, Chips and Exports, Fast Numbers, King's Collection, One Stop,
web page that records.
Love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. Everything is covered in something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of it. Weekend, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me is thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up your plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay. And even getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Everything is covered in something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby, come on. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. I wish I'm all like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, come on, baby. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, come on, baby. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, baby. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
There's a massive warehouse clearance now on at home.